In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a PDF file viewer in Framer, so users can either view it directly on your page or download it easily. Whether you're sharing documents, guides, portfolios, or resources with your visitors, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know without any confusion. First, open Framer and make sure you're inside the project where you want to add your PDF file. Once your project is open, look toward the top and click on the Insert button. In the search bar, type Download, and you'll see a download element appear. Go ahead and drag and drop this download element onto your canvas where you want the PDF link or button to appear. Next, click on the download button you just added and move over to the right side Properties panel. Scroll down until you find the source option and make sure it's set to upload. After that, click on Choose File and select the PDF file from your computer. Once the file is uploaded, change the button text to something clear like Download PDF so users know exactly what it does. To make the process smoother, here's a quick tip. Keep your PDF file size reasonable and use a clear file name. Doing this beforehand can help ensure faster downloads and a better user experience. After that, save your changes and preview your website. When a user clicks on this button or link, the PDF file will automatically download to their device. Simple and effective, right? Now, let's look at another method. If you want users to view the PDF directly on your page instead of downloading it, go back to the Insert button again, and this time search for Embed. Drag and drop the embed element onto your canvas where you want the PDF to appear. Once the embed element is selected, head over to the right side Properties panel and scroll down. Make sure the type is set to HTML. You'll now need the link to your PDF file. Copy the PDF link, then come back to Framer and paste that link into the source area inside the embed code. After pasting the link, save your changes. This time, you'll see the PDF displayed directly on the page, allowing users to scroll through and view it without leaving your site. It's also a good idea to test this on different screen sizes to make sure the PDF displays properly for all users. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to add a PDF file in Framer as a download link or embed it directly on your page quickly and easily. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.